any man here. That's what they are. They see him free, they pull his ass up.
Pull him up out there?
Pull his ass in the parking lot.
You ain't saying that?
I tried to make him stop. And then the cops came and locked Oakes up. But this is seen again. They do nothing to do that. I just don't like it. I said, they got consideration. He said, man, you don't get nobody. He said, that's somebody's phone.
You're missing out on more, ain't you sure?
I said, I'm not sure. Plus, a lot I've never seen these before, and I got 3 step seeds in rice, and I got 2 birdies. Yeah. And I would never imagine this world I'm going through my life. Yeah, I'm talking about it. Big time, Nancy. I wanted to get my place here.
Now approaching Laurel and Bull. Now approaching Taylor and Pickens.
I wouldn't even gotta go do that shit because I don't plan to hang no man
Now approaching Taylor and Hardin. Stop requested.
Yeah.